I've been a developer for many years. I had jobs as a project manager, as a product manager, as a CTO for startup. And this job at Trilogy kind of wraps us all together, so that's quite nice. I started at Trilogy in January, so it's about a year. The difference in Trilogy is that you are really close to software engineering. That is, you have a look at what developers do at the source code, contribute a bit yourself, and also understand the whole context of specifications and processes, and making sure all of this works together. Being an engineer, I want to be involved in all of that. I don't want to have other people making the interesting decisions and I'm just managing the debate. So it's also just a more fun job. Especially if we want to make the decision on what is really better. And in a lot of companies, it's more like democratic consensus in the end, where people just align on something. And as a manager, you don't really know if that's really a good decision or not. But here, everyone understands the technical reason for the decision. And so it's much more likely that we get the best decision. So it's all about decision making and understanding what problems people really have and what is the solution to them. You have planet scale projects, and all of this is really exciting. And you do not get so many opportunities to work on that level. A lot of people appreciate that, because if you really care for performance and quality, then this is a very good place for you to work. I'm Leonhard Holtz, and I can shape planet scale software development because of Crossover.